Hi there. Happy Tuesday. Thanks for your patience yesterday as you went through the review packet. Um, and I have a video already posted today, but I wanted to post another one for today to give you guys some updates on some big news we heard. The biggest news is that the AP College Board announced over the weekend that we would indeed have AP exams, but the AP exam for AP World History is going to be shortened significantly. There's not going to be any multiple choice. It's only going to be open response. And we're not sure exactly what the open response will look like. It's only going to be about an hour long. You'll take it at home on your home computer. If you don't have a home computer, if you're working from your phone or something like that, we'll be sure to set that up before we take the exam. We're not sure what date it will be yet either, but that's the big news. So it's going to be an exam that you take from home that's timed. It'll be around an hour. It'll be open response. So that's probably just an LAQ, although maybe it would be a DBQ. And the other big news is that it's not actually going to cover the entire course. You guys have done the entire course, but we're only going to be covering the first 7 units. So I want to share with you, this is from the AP curriculum. And what it means is that we are going to cover all of this. This is what's on the exam up to 1900. So World War I, World War II, the Cold War, communism, decolonization, globalization, all of that from 1900 to the present will not be tested on. Don't feel badly because you learned about it, because learning about those issues, those topics, those units, I think are some of the most important units in the whole course, whether you take an exam or not. So I'm really happy that we were able to get through a lot of that before COVID hit. But it does make studying for the exam a little easier. So we're going to spend the next month and a half just covering the first 6 units, which means we're actually going to spend more time on the early stuff, 1200 to 1450, than we initially planned. And it means that we want to see what you guys remember from last year, what you're able to get from the course reader and doing the homework assignments, and how you're able to write about it. So both today and tomorrow, you're going to be doing in-class essays. You're going to write to 2 different prompts, timed prompts, and then Mr. Dahlin and I are going to give a lot of feedback, and then you're going to have a chance on Thursday to revise your essays, one of the essays, that whichever one, or actually, I think we might actually have you revise both of them. So it's a lot of writing this week, but writing is what the test will be on, and writing is what we need to practice. So that's the big news. I want now to go over how you should do these exams in Schoology. When you go into Schoology, all right, I'm going to share my screen again. When you go into Schoology, there's a couple of different options for how to do this. So when you go into tomorrow's assignment, you go into March 24th, I'll post this video. We'll get to the essay. The rubric is built in. And then you're going to submit your essay inside of this little tiny box. Do not type out your essay in this box. If something happens with your computer, this box does not save. It is not auto-saved. It is not saved every second, saved every word. This is just where you copy and paste at the very end of your essay. So where are you going to type your essay? In a Google Doc. You create a new Google Doc. Make sure you put your name, Dr. Kerr, post, LEQ, number 1. And then this is where you're going to type your essay. So the whole essay you will type in this Google Doc, and then you're going to copy and paste this into your Schoology and then submit. Okay, so don't type it in this box. This is not a great place to edit. It's not a great place to do anything. Type it in Google Docs first, and then copy and paste it into Schoology. And then this is where I'll grade it. This is where I'll give you feedback and comments, tell you what you need to fix, how you should fix it, and then you go back into your Google Doc and fix it here. Okay, so I hope that's clear. That's what I want you to do today, but it's also what you're going to do tomorrow. And then I'm going to give you feedback, and you'll rewrite your essays, both of them, on Thursday. And then next week, we're going to start reviewing early modern empires. And we'll be moving on to 1450 to 1750, where the course started for you guys this year. Okay, that's all I got for today. Watch this video, watch the other video, and then you can get started on your essay. See you later.